We're going to review some material for calculus for business majors. It's Professor Seth, Math 174. These examples appeared on a test, and they're also a good review for a final. We're starting off with the problem, page 663, example 4. It says as follows: a revenue function given in dollars is R of x is 36 million times x over 2x plus 500, the quantity squared. And the question is, find the marginal revenue function, which is MRx, also called R prime of x, and also compute it when x is 50. Before we compute it, the computation is here. Before we get there, let's review the general thing of a quotient rule. F of x is u over v. We use the top and v is the bottom. In such a case, f prime of x is vu prime minus uv prime over v squared. In our case, u, the top, is 36 million x. U prime will then be 36 million. The bottom, v, is 2x plus 500 squared. We're going to call that w squared, where w is 2x plus 500. When you take the derivative of u was easy. Take the derivative of v prime, we need the chain rule. V prime, also known as dv dx, is dv dw times dw dx. This is the chain rule. So dv dw, since v is w squared, is just 2w. dw dx is the derivative of this thing with just plain 2, which is 4w, or 4 times 2x plus 500.
Because you just drop this 2 down to the front of it?
That is correct.
Right, and then you take...
That's the derivative of dv dw is 2w, and dw dx is, look at this thing.
Derivative of that is 2.
Is just 2.
Right.
So it becomes 4w, 4 times this.
Perfect.
Now we go back to the formula. This is v, the bottom squared. The bottom. And the top derivative of the top, u prime, is just 36 million. We put that here. Then we look at u. This is u. That's right here, minus 36 million x, times v prime is 4 times 2x plus 500. We're going to factor out from the top a 2x plus 500 and a 36 million. So it's 2x plus 500 times 36 million times all that's left over here is 2x plus 500. And after we factor this out and this out, all that's left is 4x. This 2x plus 500 and this 2x plus 500 squared cancel. That leaves us with the following. That leaves us with the top being equal to 36 million times 2x plus 500 minus 4x, which is going to be equal to 500 minus 2x. And the bottom is going to be 2x plus 500. This is known as the derivative or the marginal revenue function. That's end of part A.